Vermont state-to-state moving companies. Does the idea of moving stress you out? You are not alone. Most people find moving to be very frustrating and unpleasant. It seems like no matter how much you plan ahead, there is never enough time to get everything done. Add in the inevitable dropping of a box marked fragile, the furniture that never seems to fit back through the doorway that it came in, and the items that seem to disappear as if by magic, and most people are ready to cry. You don't have to go through all of this. You could hire a professional Vermont moving company to help you handle the hard work. They will do all the lifting, carrying, and transporting. You just need to show up to your new home and unpack. Our moving services: commercial, office, apartment, or residential house moving, military relocations, door-to-door moving, full-service packing and unpacking, including packing materials, state-to-state, coast-to-coast, local and long-distance moving, heavy and specialized furniture moving, piano moving, pool table moving, etc. Auto transport services. Cheap Vermont movers. A One Auto Transport can help you move your household goods nationwide. Call 888-241-3110 to get a free, no obligation to buy price quote on interstate moving services.